you guys. I'm Dr. Melanie Carlone, physical therapist, somatic healer, and I'm pretty much a lifelong learner in integrative well-being and all the various ways that we can get ourselves back into alignment internally with each other and with the planet. So what I'd like to do today is talk a little bit about the somatic approach to relieve back tension that prevents people from bending forward and touching their toes. And I often hear people don't do yoga because they can't touch their toes. I'm not flexible, I can't do it. Well, have you ever thought that there's a protector inside that when you try to go to stretch into those positions says, whoa, no, whatever you're doing isn't safe, and it wants to tighten and pull back? And that's fed by a whole lot of things. It could be old injury. It could be the way that you view yourself. It could be that you grew too fast when you were younger, and every time you bent forward, it hurt. It could be fascia from old scarring that's preventing you from moving. Actually doesn't matter what caused it. What matters is being able to come back into it with respect and compassion for yourself, tensing the protector to bring it into your awareness, and slowly letting the protector go. And that's what we're going to talk about today. So let's dive into some yoga postures and approaches that you can take with breath, with tensioning, and with releasing that can help you get back into a healthy, forward bending, lengthening on the back of the body. Okay, so first thing I want you to do is just notice how far you can bend forward. So standing on your mat or where your feet are not going to slip, go ahead and round first your head, then your shoulders, melting downward. Your belly comes in. I feel tension in my back here. I can keep going. My hips give way, so I can bend down all the way and touch my feet. But you may be here or here or here. Doesn't matter. Just notice and then kindly bend your knees and come back up. So that's your baseline. And after we do this practice, I want you to check it again. All right. So standing, let your arms come out. We're going to engage the back body muscles. So with the hands up, the arms up, the heels and the little fingers reaching, gently bend backwards. Tighten the muscles in the back of the body. Tensing, feeling, reaching up. Don't collapse in the low back. And then bring your hands forward onto your knees and slowly reach out. So I'm about an L shape on my back. Pico, stop scratching. My dog is trying to get in on the act. So I'm in an L shape here. I'm going to lift my sit bones, tightening the hamstrings, and I'm going to use my hands to push and lengthen my spine. Tuck the chin, lift your sit bones, push the spine, engaging the low back and the back of the legs, breathing. And then I'm going to release that tension. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Beautiful. Bend my knees, roll up. Feel the echo in the back of the body. Let my arms come out again. Gathering all the goodness, reaching up. Heels sink in the ground. Little fingers reach up. Tucking my tail, not compressing my low back. Reach back again, engaging the back of the body. And then up, coming forward, keeping my arms, my hips to a 90-degree angle, hands on my knees, lift my kneecaps, lift my sit bones, arching the low back, tuck my chin, and push. Pushing with my hands, engaging, lifting the sit bones, curve in the low back, breathing. Thank you, protectors. Thank you, back of the body, built to serve, working hard. And now we're going to let you go. Softening. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bending my knees. Rolling up. Feeling the echo in the body. Heels connected. My arms come out now, reaching to the heavens. Little fingers lead, lifting up And then slowly bending backwards. Tuck my tail, reach, lift, breathe. And coming up one more time, arms out, forward reach, my hands come down to the front of my knees, kneecaps lift, and lift my sit bones, push with my hands, tuck my chin, lengthen the back of the body. Oh, feels so good as the spine lengthens, sit bones rise, and then release. 5, 4, breathing in the low back. 2, 1, bend the knees, come back up, follow with arms overhead, heels to little fingers lift, tucking the tail, bending backwards, breathe, and then lifting back up and arms down. So we just engaged the back of the body in a juicy conversation of gratitude and allowance. So now let's try again, rolling forward. So now my head comes down, no stress. Shoulders roll, no tension in my low back. Little bit there, not much. And now the rolling down is super easy, touching the ground. Back of the body releasing, bend the knees to come up. And the body's gotten this respectful engagement of the tight back muscles. You're seeing them, allowing them, and then releasing them with awareness. It's amazing what it can do. So now let's go to the ground. And mark in the comments, what did you notice? Were you able to go further? All right, let's go down. So we're going to do the same thing pretty much sitting. So in sitting, imagine your feet are engaged like they were standing, okay? Don't just let them flop. Engage your feet, tighten, lift my kneecaps. And now I'm going to let the arch go in my low back, pushing down through my sit bones, reaching through my fingers, lift, and softly going down and reaching down my legs. Now, you may stop here, you may stop at the ankles, you may reach your feet, it doesn't matter. But wherever you go, I'm going to have you hold and imagine pulling backwards. So I tuck my chin and I'm pulling back as if something was trying to pull me backwards, but I'm holding on. This is called an isometric contraction. So I'm holding on, isometric, not moving, but tensing. And I'm feeling the back of the body, breathing, lifting, arching the low back, keeping my feet at attention, and then softening. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And letting yourself come forward over the legs till you feel a tensing. And then holding on in the new place. My head lifts, my chin tucks. I'm pulling backwards on my ankles now. Feet at attention, almost pushing my heels down in the mat. Breathe. Thank you, back of the body. Feel, notice the tension. And then softening. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And easily my hands come down further, my head down. And we're going to do it one more time. Holding on in the new position wherever you're at is perfect for you. The only difference between a loose person and a tight person is the loose person has to go further to get to the same place, literally. So holding on wherever you're at, belly button in, and pull. Pull your chin in, pull the back of the body, push my heels down, feet at attention, breathe. And soften. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. For a remarkable increase in softening the low back. Roll up, let your sit bones be the foundation. Find your balance again and feel the echo on the back of the body of having done this. feel the release and the softening of the tissue. It's just a lovely thing. And your body thanks you. The protector thanks you when you pay attention. So I hope that was helpful for you. That is for those people who hold the green light reflex, where the back of the body is habitually tense. Thank your body for all the hard work, and then give it opportunities to let go. It was awesome being with you today. Again, I'm Dr. Melanie Carlone, and this is Why It Hurts and How to Heal. Come back anytime, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button because it makes a difference. See you later, guys.